Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm going to show you how I did this gorgeous wreath with that perfect circle of the greenery, because the greenery is actually not in a wreath look. It is the greenery from the Peaceful Noel stamp set. So you can see it is actually this little piece here, and I stamped it in that perfect circle for that awesome wreath. And I didn't do it by luck, so don't worry, I'm going to show you how I did that with the Stamparatus in a technique called stamping in the round. I actually got this idea from a fabulous stamper, Joanne Cantrell, so thank you to her for this amazing idea. So let's get started on how I did that. So I'm going to bring in my Stamparatus here, and I'm going to show you I did a little grid here with squares. So this is actually a 3-inch square that I used for this card. So I have my 3-inch outline square, and I'm just going to place that on the square, and then I have my little leafy image right here. So I have Mossy Meadow, and I'm just going to ink it up and stamp it down. And then I'm going to rotate it with the squares to this diamond shape, place it down, and stamp it again. So you're going to do this, I think it's like 8 times all the way around, and just keep going around from square to diamond, and you'll have that perfect look. And there you have that amazing wreath. So you'll see that I did kind of make a mess with my ink pad here, but no worries, because that's not going to rock and roll on your project like a real clear ink or clear block, because this is hitting that this here, and of course is also not pressing in that spot. So you are all good on that, and there are no little mess ups on here, which is super fabulous. So now we have that amazing wreath there. Then I just took Mary Merlot and added a few little holly berries around. There's actually the 2-step stamping for the holly berries, so you could do that back on the Stamparatus to make sure they're lined up perfectly. One of them is like circles, like almost like eggs, and then the other one is sort of like a fill-in, but it's sort of a textured fill-in. So you could always just do the solid image with that texture and not do the circles, or you could do them both. And like I said, you could always add those to the Stamparatus on the other plate to be able to get those lined up perfectly, or you could always wing it too if you wish to do that. Of course, I will say, remember to save room for your ribbon, so you want to make sure that your holly berries are up higher, because I actually did this one, and then I did one right underneath there. Well, then since I covered that one up, then I had to go back in and add a few more. I also used, this is the Mary Merlot and Copper ribbon, so it has that gorgeous shine you can see there. And then of course I also used the Mary Merlot glimmer paper that's along here too, so super fabulous. I just added the little Noel and Mary Merlot as well. So super, super fun, very easy to do with the Stamparatus. It just takes away all the stress of getting that perfect circle for your wreath. I tend to end up with an oblong wreath or something like that whenever I've tried to just do it on my own. So I am super loving the ease of the Stamparatus for this stamping in the round technique. Stay tuned, as I will be posting more techniques using this stamping in the round with that same grid. So you can see more of those coming soon. If you'd like me to do a tutorial on how I did that grid, just let me know in the comments below, and I can make that happen for you if that's something that you guys want to see. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Also, click on the link above and you can join my mailing list too. So that's super fun, where I offer lots of techniques and ideas, as well as information on current promotions and things like that. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.